Hello, this is Babam. We're going to walk through a little bit of the automata mod. We're going to install it quickly. We're going to say select mods. You can see it's not there. We're going to say find more mods. We're going to say automata and search. And we're going to say plus here, install. Well, it's installed. And we're going to make sure that, yeah, that's enabled. Save. Play game. Here we are inside something. Okay, here we are. Flying, no clip is turned on, and the time of day is not set to change, so we have lots of time. What I'd like to show you today is the fourth tab on the remote control called import. So in this screen we can import any one of a number of LIF files, which are Game of Life files for creations in Game of Life that people have made. They're saved here by file name, but if you double click on them you get a description. So this one is called Acorn. The pattern has 7 cells, standard rules 233. Supposedly it is a very vigorously growing 7-cell Methuselah pattern, which means it lasts for a long time. So we're going to import this into the game. We're going to leave the trail blocks and everything blank, and we're going to let this run for, well, we'll let it run for 40 generations just so you can get an idea of what it is. Actually, you know, this one I like to grow it sideways so you can see the trail. I do like to see the trail. So we're going to do a grow distance of 1, and we're going to do a trail block of maybe ice this time, just to change things up a little bit. Then we're going to import this. So that's what it looks like. It's actually quite large. You have to fly around to show it all. You can see it growing. So we're going to go look at it face on so you can see what's happening. You can see one of our 3D blocks in the back. 3D automata grown to a few generations. It's finished in stone. See that? But anyways, here we have the Game of Life playing out from that Acorn file. You can see some gliders drifting off slightly here and here and here. Presumably they're going to interact with each other and with these other entities to do different things. Blocks don't change, so you just see a column there. So when you're importing, you don't have a choice of what rules to apply. The importing tab assumes that they're all Game of Life 2.3/3 or 2.3/2. 2.3.3, sorry, and so you don't have as many options to play with. But if you're importing life files, I assume you probably want to see them in Game of Life rules, or they won't behave properly. So you can add LIF files to the LIFs folder, and they'll show up there. So you can create your own, or you can download them from some other source. Okay, so we're just going to let that one run. We're going to go up in the sky here, and we'll do one on a flat plane. And this time we will just we will not make it grow. We'll just let it grow in the plane. I'll go back to import, and we'll choose another one here. This time we're going to use gliders 6, and we're going to make it it's not going to grow, but we're going to make it grow perpendicular to Y, so it'll be on the ground. So when you import these, it's based on your location, but and I think it's based on the way you're facing, but I'm not sure. We're going to hit import, and then we're going to fly up, and we're going to watch this pattern grow. It's supposed to be the interaction of 6 gliders, but the 2 gliders were just going out to the outside, so I don't know how much they're going to interact. But that's a game of life file, leaving a trail in the plane without growing vertically. So that gives you an idea of how to use the import feature. So that's all I'm going to do for this video. Thank you for listening. Bye.